Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can start your own dropshipping business. So if you want to get into starting your own e-commerce or dropshipping business, then it's actually really simple. So if you want to start your own dropshipping business, then you will require a marketplace from where you can purchase your products from a variety of vendors and a marketplace where you can sell your products. So personally, I feel that AliExpress is the most convenient way to order products. AliExpress offers a variety of products at relatively cheap prices. So firstly, you will need to analyze the market and need to find the type of product which you want to sell. So after you have identified the product, you can order from AliExpress. So let's say I want to order a pair of headphones. So I'll simply go here and search for headphones. So as you can see, there are a number of products to choose from, and I can select any product which I wish. So as you can see right here, I have selected the product, and now I need to order the product. You can select the number of quantity from here, and just like that you can order the product. So in order to order the product, you'll simply need to click on buy now and place your order. So now that you have placed your order, you will need to create your own store to sell your products to your customers. So personally, for me, Shopify is the best application for this. Shopify allows you to open your own personal online store. So on the Shopify store, you can create your own online store. So Shopify is a one-stop solution for selling your products and also for managing your logistics and also for managing your marketing. So as you can see on the Shopify website, I can manage all of my business at one place. I can add products, and from here I can analyze my business, and from here I can also analyze my marketing. So I can see which campaigns I have been running. So in short, Shopify is a one-stop destination for all of your e-commerce and dropshipping needs. So once you have ordered products from AliExpress, you will need to present them on your Shopify store. So in order to do that, you can import products. So by clicking on import products, you can import products on the Shopify website. And by importing products, you can post your products on the Shopify store and let your consumers know about your products. So if you click on import products, so you can add the file and import your products on Shopify. So you can also directly add products from AliExpress to Shopify. For that, you will need to create a Deezers account. From Deezers, you can directly add products from Alibaba to your Shopify. So simply go to Deezers.com to create your own free account. And once you have created your account, you can import products directly from Alibaba to Shopify. So all you need to do to create a successful dropshipping business is to firstly analyze the market and order products as required. Then secondly, post your products on your Shopify or on your social media accounts. And from there, you will need to gather your consumers. So in this way, you can purchase from a large number of vendors and sell to a large number of customers. So in this way, you can start your own dropshipping business. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any queries, then please make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.